Hi everyone, it's Brittany and check out this new Rockwell flosser that I got from Amazon today. It's a water flosser. So it comes with this bottom where you can twist it off, and this is where you can insert water from. And literally it takes about 300 milliliters or 10 ounces. Literally you can get water through this hole as well, which is really cool. So when I want to put it back on, I want to make sure that I lock it and I twist it on so it can't come off. I love how it has different modes. So when I switch them, it has DIY, low, high, and pulse. And then it's back to DIY. So literally this is how you turn it on and this is how you turn it off. Literally here is another charging port because it is a lithium battery. So you can literally use this USB to charge this Rockwell water flosser. I love how literally you can push this and you can twist off the top. These are the tips that come with this water flosser. It comes with 6 different ones. So for example, it comes with a tongue scraper. So when I want to use this to brush off my tongue and get the water on it, it works well with that. So this is a brush that'll get in between the grooves and the residues and bacteria in between my teeth that a normal toothbrush wouldn't be able to get. Here's another one. It's like a brush as well, but it has 4 different bristles. So literally I can use it to get in between the teeth as well. And this is another brush that you can use that literally is another tip. And then we have another one just like the one that I'm using now. So it's 2 of the same kind. And when I want to put this back in, I'll just insert it through the hole and turn it 360 degrees and it'll be perfect. But when you want to take it out, you just press this button and you twist it off. And it has a scalar pulse of about 2,200 to 3,000 times per minute. And it comes with like 20 to 140 PSI water pressure. So you can completely remove 99.99% of food residues, stains between the teeth, and it's good for like getting underneath the gum line. It effectively massages the gums and promotes blood circulation. So this is really good when it helps with bleeding gums, bad breath, and it's good for your braces. And if you have a bridge, you can literally get in between it for bridge care. So it's IPX8 waterproof rating, providing double protection against water leakage. I think that literally it can do it all. So I'm going to show you guys how it takes literally 4 hours to fully charge, which can be used for 21 days. So it has multiple flushing gears and the DIY gear, and literally it comes with a manual with all the tools and tips that you need. I highly recommend this product. I'm going to show you guys how to use this water flosser. So once you take this off and you unlock this piece, you can fill up the water here. Once it's completely full, you lock it back. And literally we can begin to use it. So when I press this button on, you'll see that it literally shoots out with the mode that I picked. When I press the other button, the second button, it'll show a low setting, and then a medium setting, and then the highest setting, and then the do-it-yourself setting. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this inside. And now I feel it in my gums.